This is the 30 years female complaining of malaise, body ache, generalized body ache, and since 1 month, not since 1 month, but just only one episode of fever for 1 day. No vomiting, no diarrhea, no headache, just a generalized body ache. This is the liver in the focus, and what is the typical observation in this liver is that you can see this soft tissue mass is moving. This is the hemorrhage, because this is hemorrhage because it is also correlating clinically also that this is not an abscess, because patient is having fever for only 1 day only. And second thing that is in favor of hemorrhage is that there are these horizontal lines inside this cystic soft tissue mass. This vertical line is a sign of hemorrhage. I am telling this because I had seen post-operatively this kind of findings. It was a hemorrhage. I got the post-operative review, especially in the ovary. I saw this kind of lesion, vertical lines, tiny vertical lines. This is a feature of internal hemorrhage inside the cyst, and this is not an abscess, I think. This is very large cystic area with distal enhancement and internal soft tissue mass. As you can see, this is moving, rubbery type of texture. When there is a clot, it gives a rubbery texture, and this movement is something rubber which is vibrating, moving. You can just imagine that some soft tissue rubber type of structure, when it moves, it shakes like this. We can go for biogenic abscess also, but clinically it is not matching, and according to my observation, this is a hemorrhagic type of something lesion. Gallbladder is also normal. In abscess, gallbladder is somewhat thickened, gallbladder wall. Kidney is also normal. In abscess, we see a little bit edematous and hyperechoic kidney, but here the kidney is also normal. This spleen is also normal. A little bit dilatation of this splenic vein is seen. Portal vein is, however, normal. IVC normal. Main thing is this horizontal line, which is suggestive of internal hemorrhage. You can check by your own also post-operative findings. If we do aspiration, what kind of fluid we are getting.